The next assignment we're working on is called 24. No, it's not the TV show from a few years ago. It's to come up with different angles of view, different depths of field, different zoom, and different perspective on a scene. To try and get you to move around and try to find as many different angles of view or angles into your subject as you can find. So you have to provide 24 different views of the same subject. So I'm going to shoot my subject right here and take just a few different shots. I'm going to shoot a real wide shot. Then I'm going to shoot a vertical and get up and maybe get high up on top and look down. Then I think this lens in the foreground looks kind of cool. I'm going to get in real close here and zoom in on it. Take that picture. I think I'm going to come over here. This camera and lens looks kind of cool. Maybe a vertical would look really nice right here. Maybe a horizontal of the top of this bottle. Maybe the two bottles together. Oh, you know what looks really cool is the shadow on the back wall here looks really neat. What can I do with that? Maybe a vertical just of the shadow. That's a nice shot. Okay. Maybe I get down real low here and try to make the lens look really tall and take it completely out of context with the other elements in this frame. How about a close-up of the flowers? So that's your job, is to take a variety of images of the same scene. Now, I took about 8 or 9, and you can see that it'd be pretty easy for me to take another 10 or 12, and that'd be pretty close to having my 24. So 24 different views of the same subject. Okay? If you do a car or something like that, which can be a very good subject to do, you know, I need a shot of just the radio knob or just the wheel and the tire. Don't just walk around the car and take 24 shots of the same car from the same height. Right? Get down on the ground, maybe bring a little ladder, get up high in the air, do something like that. Now, taking 24 views of a person is quite difficult to do. So if you're going to attempt to do a person, know that you're in for a challenge, and that's a tough one. You can try it, but that's going to be a difficult thing to do. Smaller objects are incredibly difficult to do because after about 10 or 12 shots, you run out of angles of things to shoot. So a scene of this size is about as small as you want to try and do this assignment. Cars work pretty well, motorcycles can work well, bicycles can work well for this assignment. Some a little bit larger objects can work well. Lawnmowers, lawn tractors, all kind of things like that work pretty well for this assignment. Okay, so 24 views of the same subject. Very good.